Hi everyone. I'm gonna start off by saying happy Friday because it is Friday. It is actually Friday. I'm not saying happy Friday by accident this time. I am currently eating my favorite ice cream. This is the rainbow sherbet by Baskin Robins, the only rainbow sherbet that I like. It has been a week. I should say this week has been canceled for me. It's just, you know, when it's that time of the month, and if you know exactly what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments down below. You just don't want to do shit. I don't want to do anything. I just want to be a couch potato, which I was on Thursday. I did absolutely nothing. I don't know if I'm the only one that this happens to, but every other month I get really bad symptoms. I honestly feel like I'm pregnant because I get really nauseous. I get really lightheaded. I want to eat everything, especially rainbow sherbet. I crave rainbow sherbet like no other when I'm on my period. And I think because I was going so hard these last couple of weeks, it finally hit me. And on top of that, I got my period, and it like really put a damper on my week. I had so much to do, which I got a lot of it done. I just didn't pick up the camera because I just was not in the mood. I was just trying to push through just because I had to, and it was just really hard for me to like actually get up, actually do things. And I obviously did them because I had to, but you know, I do have those weeks, those days where I don't want to do anything, and that's what my Thursday was like. I literally laid on the couch, watched movies, and did nothing because I not only felt nauseous every time I would get up, I would get lightheaded. It's just not a good feeling. But I crave a lot of ice cream. Like right now I'm craving ice cream, so that's why I'm talking to you guys while I'm eating my favorite ice cream. Let me know what you guys' favorite snack, or what is the one thing that you have to eat when you're on your period. I want to know in the comments down below. But yeah, this week was definitely canceled for me because I didn't even get a chance to upload a makeup tutorial because I had so much to do. I got back from Vegas on Monday. I had to pick up Anthony from my dad's up north on Tuesday, which I had so much fun. Don't see my dad that often, so I like try to take advantage when I do go there, even though he worked that day. But I got to spend time with my little sister and my little brother. For those that don't know, I do have two younger sisters, a younger brother and an older brother. So yeah, so that was Tuesday. Wednesday I got back. I had a shoot to do, which I did. And yesterday, which was Thursday, I felt like complete crap. And all I wanted to do is be in my sweats and my t-shirt because I just didn't want to do anything. You know, when you feel like crap, I just don't want to do anything. And I still feel it, you know. I still feel like crap today, but I have so much to do that I just can't let things pile up on me because then I'll get anxiety. So right now I took a break from folding my clothes because I did laundry, but I have to like lay down a few times throughout the day just so I can feel okay. And luckily Anthony has been going with his grandfather from his dad's side to watch the Dodger game, I think these last 3 days. So I've been able to just like chill. And actually he woke me up today at like 6 in the morning because he had the worst migraine and he was throwing up. So on top of me not feeling well, he wasn't feeling well either. But yeah, I just wanted to jump on here and just like chat with you guys and let you guys know that if you do feel like crap, take some time for yourself because you just need to recharge. I know I needed to recharge after that Vegas trip. We had so much fun, but Vegas is a very dangerous place. And that Sunday that we were supposed to come back, I got food poisoning, which was the worst. And I feel like that's why I'm also really drained, because I was throwing up the whole entire day. I must have thrown up like 15 times. It was the worst, like the worst feeling. I just can't just thinking about it, I'm just like, I want to cry, because at one point I did cry and I was just like, I just wanted to go away. My body felt it the next couple of days because I definitely was physically tired. Thankfully I didn't have to drive back from Vegas because we drove, but I think I was just pushing myself too hard, and on top of, you know, getting food poisoning and then having to drive to my dad's house and getting my period, it was just a lot all at once, and I still have a lot to do here at home. But I was talking to Jovan, Pony Boy, and I was telling him, I was like, you know what, I just can't, like, I can't continue to push myself. Like, I'm not gonna do anything. He was like, why don't you just talk about it? And I was like, talk about what? He was like, how you feel. Like, you know, people want to hear how you feel. People want to hear like that you're also human, that you're not a robot, that you just can't go on. And that's, he like really motivated me to like make this video. So thank you, Pony Boy. But yeah, I've just been here trying to just push through as much as I can. That's pretty much it. Sorry I don't have anything for you guys this week. It's just been one of those weeks that I just don't want to do anything. Honestly, I had no energy, and I wasn't even gonna have a video because I was just like, this week has been canceled, completely canceled. And I mean, it still kind of is, because I haven't really done much. But I also need to like recharge myself, and I can't forget to like continue taking care of myself, because I can't not function. So I'm just here eating my favorite ice cream. I just don't know what it is about rainbow sherbet that just it just does it for me, you know. It makes me so happy. If you guys love rainbow sherbet, comment a rainbow emoji in the comments down below. And next week, I promise you guys, I'm going to be up and at it. And I keep saying this, I know I need to make that green juice video because I need to do my green juice cleanse again, because I also feel like that has changed my mood as well, not drinking my green juice. Because I remember when I was drinking my green juice, I had so much energy, I felt lighter, I felt like I can literally take over the world. So I need to start my green juice. Give this video a thumbs up if you want that green juice video. But yeah, I hope you guys had a better week than I did. I know all of this will pass, and I know next week is going to be a lot better. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed just me talking to you guys about what was going on this week. Like I said, sorry I didn't have anything else. Next week you guys will see a lot more going on in my life than this week. So I will see you guys next Sunday.